Most hiking trails take you somewhere. This one takes you back in time. This is the Gushudao, one of the oldest road systems in China with a history of more than 2,000 years. For centuries, these mountain paths connected Sichuan with central China. Merchants, soldiers, travelers all passed through here. And today we can still walk on some of the same paths they once walked. The Gushudao is not just one single trail. It's actually made of many different sections, winding through the mountains of Sichuan. There are 3 main sections that are particularly popular with hikers today. But unfortunately, I didn't have enough time to do the entire hike, so I decided to focus on one section, from Duan Bei Liang to Xiao Yazi. So this video is not a complete guide to the Gushudao. It's simply a glimpse of what it feels like to walk through a small piece of this ancient landscape. Walking through this trail, I couldn't shake the feeling that I was somehow stepping into the past. And then I realized that people had been making this same journey long before the modern roads, cars, and trains existed. For thousands of years, this was one of the ways into and out of Sichuan. Of course, the village alongside the way have changed. You can even stop at the roadside stalls and scan a QR code with your phone to buy snacks and water. But somehow, the road is still the road. And then there are the trees. Ancient cypress trees that have stood there for centuries. Some are hundreds of years old, and some are more than 1,000. It's hard to imagine how many generations of travelers these trees have watched pass by, and it's easy to see how much effort is being made to protect them. Before coming here, I had heard people compare the Gushudao to the Kumano in Japan. I haven't hiked that trail myself, but I can see why people make the comparison. And I hope this video can give you an answer. Of course, what we see today is only a small part of what once existed. Modern roads and railways have made traveling through Sichuan much easier. But some sections of the old road are still here, quiet, shaded by ancient trees, and surprisingly easy to walk. And I think that's what I found most fascinating about the Gushudao. It's not frozen in the past. Life has changed around it. People have changed. The way we travel has changed, but the road has remained. And for a few hours, you get to walk through a landscape where the past and the present still exist side by side.